Guys, can you believe it? Somebody is staying in Jamaica and packing barrels in the United States. Yeah. If you want to know how they are doing it, stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again. So yes guys, I am heading to Sam's to pick up some basmati and jasmine rice. I think they're a little bit cheaper than the rest of supermarket them when I compare prices, and the customer that I am doing business for, they say that is the type of rice that they want. And on top of that, the individual that will be getting a barrel, that is the type of rice that I'm putting in it also. So we're going to be doing that and also looking at some other else items. Tell me what you think in the comment. Do you think the days of packing barrels sending to relatives in Jamaica is past and gone, is irrelevant? Is it cheaper just to buy the food in Jamaica? Is the individual that is asking you to conduct such a business, are they really saving money? You know, tell me what you think in the comment. So I already picked up some items. They're in my garage right now. I also got some store brand cereal, some, what they call it, I think it's Walmart cereal. There are some big family size boxes. They are like $2.90 or $3 something. I already spoke to the individual, let them know that for you not to exceed the amount that I have charged to pack the barrel, we have to like more lean towards the store brand products. The more we venture from the store brand product, it is the more likely that not more likely, the prices, it's going to be more. It's going to surpass the budget, surpass the price that I gave the individual. And I am not using coupon this time around. I am just driving around comparing prices, and wheresoever I see the cheapest prices for the items, that is the location that I'm going to pick up the stuff. So I let the individual know that this is it. For me to stay within the budget, within the price that we agreed upon, I have to like lean towards getting more store brand items and step away from the name brand product. Not to say that we cannot get some of those items, but to say that we're just going to go full blast, full throttle with name brand goods. It's going to drive up the costs, and I don't want to swallow the extra cash. You see it? I don't want to do that. Don't have it right now. But anyway, guys, enough long talking. We're going to hit the road right now. So, guys, I reached Sam's. Wow. So now and then, guys, I'll be adding background music because they're playing music in here and I don't want to be copyright. All right? So, we're going to go pick up some basmati rice. So guys, we're gonna pick up this. It's a 25-pound of all-purpose enriched flour, Members Mark. Yeah, you have bacon pizza. This is the one that I'm getting, all-purpose. Yeah, so $8.48. Yeah. 12 pounds of gold medal is for. Yeah. This is the basmati rice, guys. 20 pounds for $19.68. So we're gonna get 3 bags. Yeah. Yeah. And we're gonna get a 25-pound bag of jasmine. Wow. So this is the price for the big thing of mayonnaise, 64 ounces. Yeah. But this is not what I'm gonna get. Yeah. Even this three for $14. So it's a little bit high, almost $5 for one. ShopRite, you can get not the squeezable, the regular thing looking like this, $3.99 right now at ShopRite. Yeah. Price for olive oil, one. Before, guys, you would get two together. They don't do that no more because the way our olive oil is so expensive. It was almost $20, $2 off, $17.98. Yeah, that's crazy. The 3 liter. It's this size. Originally $22.98. You're getting it for $18.98, $4 off. Yeah. So guys, as I said, I came here looking for the rice. I got the rice. I also pick up a 25-pound bag of all-purpose flour. And also some chicken, because I will be grilling some chicken for Mother's Day tomorrow. So guess what? We're gonna head to the cashier right now. We're gonna check out and we're gonna head home. We will talk a little when we get out of the store. All right? That's it, yes ma'am. So guys, I got the rice. Yup. So my trunk is loaded with balloon for my Mother's Day celebration tomorrow. I can't open it up or they're gonna be taking off like a rocket. So I gotta pack the rice on the passenger front seat. 25 pounds of jasmine, 20 pounds of basmati, 20 pounds of basmati, 20 pounds of basmati, 25 pounds of flour, and my 2 chicken to jerk for my wife and my mother-in-law. Tim down right there. Yeah. So that is it, guys. So guys, I reach home from Sam's. Guys, the pollen, my goodness, it's rough out there. The allergy is rough out there. The heat is rough out there. But all in all, we give God thanks, because even with all of that, we're still doing the good work. You see it? But we just rope in from Sam's. I'm gonna show you. Look at my Mother's Day balloons them. See my Mother's Day balloons them? Yeah. That's right there. For 16 mothers, if them call in tomorrow, we'll be releasing a balloon for them. And also popping some balloons also. And also popping a bottle of champagne for the mothers and the to-be mothers. But anyway, guys, we're going to show you what's going on. As you can see right here, we pick up our rice. We're not going to buy no more rice, guys. This complete the rice purchase. We got 3 20-pound bags of basmati. We got a 25-pound bag of jasmine. We got a 25-pound bag of flour. So we got one more basmati rice over there. This is the store brand. Yeah, that bowl and basket, you know, that is a ShopRite brand. Big up to my viewers and subscribers that you shop at ShopRite. Those of you know that the bowl and basket and paper bird, they are the ShopRite brand. So we have one of that. These are some store brand cereals, guys. See, you got honey nut souls, you got frosted flakes, you got fruit spin. Yeah, you got some more up here, and then you got some other real stuff in here. You got what they call this, peppermint. The other day, guys, you could get this for $1.50. Now it's almost $4, guys. Peppermint, one of the best tea bag, as you can see for yourself. It is caffeine free. It is good, guys. Great value brand. For those of my viewers that you shop at Walmart, you know that this is a Walmart brand. Great value. Yeah, majority of the stuff that you see in here, guys, it is great value. Yeah, because they are cheaper than the name brand items. Great value. Yeah, there it is. Great value cereal. Yeah, and Members Mark. Those of you guys that shop at Sam's, you know that Members Mark, that is Sam's brand. That is their store brand items. You got black tea, you got mint tea, you got tang, you got, what is this? You got hot chocolate mix. Yeah, you got, what is this? You got classic roast coffee. Yeah, you got, yeah, iced tea mix. You got, what is this? Coffee mate. Yeah, and what is this? You got cappuccino. Yeah, and what is this? I think you got Jello. I didn't know that Sonic make Jello, guys. Look at this. Yeah, Sonic. And then you got the Walmart brand, great value. So we got some Jello in here. The cost say now and then I conduct business. So even though my garage is clean, as you can see, it is coated with a garage floor coating, but I still keep a mat because I don't put down people food like that. And when we know that we have everything, we're gonna start pack the barrel. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. So we have our 2 barrels right here, and as I say, one is for a customer, and a lucky individual will be getting a barrel. They don't know yet. It's gonna be a surprise, guys. It's gonna be a surprise. Yeah. So as I said, guys, we're packing 2 barrels, and hopefully I can get them wrap up before the month is over. Calling the shipping company, ship them off, and you know, wrap up this transaction and make another individual also feel good. I'm not gonna go on the street tomorrow because tomorrow is Mother's Day. I will be grilling some chicken for my wife and for my mother-in-law, and you know, inviting her over so that, you know, we can have a little thing together. And then also I'm gonna have a Mother's Day celebration for the mothers and the to-be mothers that have subscribed to my channel. Just get off the road, guys, and as you can see, yo, the stuff them, they're piling up already. They're piling up already. Yes. So guys, that is it. That is where we are right now, and hopefully we can get this business completed and move on to something else. All right. So thanks again for tuning into the channel, and I hope that you have a blessed one. All the mothers have a wonderful Mother's Day. You can tune in around 3 o'clock. You want to stop by for a minute or two to pop a balloon or to release a balloon for Mother's Day. Feel free to do so. It's free of cost, non charge. All right. So that is it, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. Yeah.